How to change a flight on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change a flight on Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Southwest Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you're brought to the home page, all you need to do next is to scroll down to the page or to the box where you can see options like flights, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, flight status, change or cancel. So that is where we are heading to. Just go ahead and click on change or cancel. Then after doing that, next thing to do would be to enter in the confirmation number that you received after you booked a flight on Southwest Airlines. So after booking a flight, you would receive a confirmation number in the receipt that was sent to your email. So you need to do is you open your email and then copy the confirmation number and tap it in here. Then after entering in the confirmation number, enter in your first name, all right, and then your last name, and then move to the right side. Now on this side you can see two options, right? Change flight, cancel flight. Just go ahead and select change flight since that is what you're trying to do, and then click on search, and then your flight would be searched out and you can now continue with the change process. All right, so that is how it is. This is basically how you can change your flight on Southwest Airlines. It is simple. You can do it yourself without having to contact the customer service. But if you still don't feel comfortable doing it yourself, just scroll down to the last part of the page, and then on this page move to the last column here, which is the help center, and then you can contact the customer support for further direction. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a very good day.